Hey guys, this is Dr. Maan, your local Coral Springs chiropractor. Today here we have MT. He's right now training to become a firefighter, so he's doing a lot of work, putting a lot of stress onto his back and neck, and he's also having shoulder issues today. So we are going to go ahead and work on him and get him loosened up. So we've done an examination and he has a lot of tightness going on into his mid-back area, and it's reflecting actually into both shoulders. He's having a lot more problems going on to his right shoulders. We see that typically when we're dealing with people who are right-handed more. Sometimes if you're left-handed, you'll also have a reflexive right-handed compensation as well, just because all of our furniture, things that we have here, are more geared towards right-sided people. So most people who are left-handed, right-handed will go ahead and adapt for that. So we're going to go ahead and start working. He's going to feel a little bit of vibration on his lower back. This is going to help loosen up some of these muscles that we have here. Good. And we're really getting into the rotator cuff muscles because that's where most of his pain is at. So he has a lot of tension going on into his supraspinatus muscle. This is one of the primary rotator cuff muscles. We hear it a lot in baseball, football, basketball, all these different sports. People having rotator cuff problems. Very common issue that we see in athletes or basically anybody who's doing a lot of heavy lifting and so forth. Good. And now we're going to go ahead and get this loosened up. Right here is his CT junction, and he has a lot of tightness there, so we're adjusting it with our arthrostim. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and get his mid-back adjusted. Good. And we're going to get those shoulders loosened up as well. Good. I'm going to have you flip on over, face up for me. Let's lay all the way flat for me. Good. Great. Right here, he has a C4, C5 restriction. Relax. Good. Good. A little manual traction. Now we're going to be doing a new move that you guys haven't seen on my channel yet, but we're going to go ahead and adjust his shoulder. Okay. So I'm going to have you slide down just a little bit towards your feet. So we have what's called a drop table. This is a specialized table that helps us adjust the patient without using excessive force, as well as allowing for the muscle to loosen up, the joint to loosen up. There is a loud sound that we will hear. Part of it's going to be a shoulder. The other is going to be the mechanism that's going to drop onto the table. You can take your arm. I want you to cross it and hold the back of your neck just like that. Good. And I'm going to go right in here. We're going to grab the front part of his shoulder. We're going from a P to A direction, a little bit of I to S. Relax and good. Let me do that one more time. All right, go ahead and relax. There you go, Coral Springs. This is how we take care of shoulder issues, especially if you're having tension going on into the shoulder, so reflecting into the neck as well. All right. If you have any questions, send us a DM or give us a call, 954-225-4007.